What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and help me get up my subscribers. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about styling small boobs. Now, I wore this outfit on purpose because as you can see, I don't have any. So today we're going to talk about how you can wear different outfits that's behind me that can accentuate your curves that you do have. And if you don't have any curves, it's okay. I can give you some illusions to make it look like you have curves. So let's jump straight into it. Okay guys, so jumping straight into it, this is the first outfit, super casual. Like I said before, I chose this outfit on purpose because, you know, it shows my curves. I'm blessed enough to have back, but I do not have anything in the front, which is super annoying. So taking off the jacket, you can clearly see I am flat chested because I don't have a bra on. So from this side, you can completely see that I don't have anything. Moving on to outfit number 2. This is a long maxi dress that I absolutely love. Now, I don't wear a bra with this because I don't want my bra to show, and that's the good thing about being flat chested is you don't look too sexy in this dress because it is a deep cut. Now, one of my tricks for if you want to appear more curvy, just add a belt. I chose something that's more dramatic with the gold twist to it, but if you don't want to be too over the top, then just add a simple black belt that accentuates your curves and breaks up the two parts of your body parts to give the illusion that you are curvier than what you really are. So I decided I don't really want this for the dress, so I just, toss it off. A way to keep your dress intact is this tape. It's a stylish trick. I deal with a lot of models, and so this will help you keep that dress in place. And I tossed it off to the side too because obviously I can't get it open, but this is to demonstrate how in any outfit you wear, it's all about confidence. It doesn't matter what anybody thinks about you and your body. You need to be happy with what you have, and I know it's super hard to accept what you have, especially if you look at other people and they're like, oh well, I wish I had that. So another trick to flat-chested girls is it's all about posture. Keep your shoulders back and chest up in all outfits, but especially this one right here where it's a more fitted bodycon type of dress. And for the last outfit, it's mainly for my ladies, that are working, and so you don't want to look really flat-chested when you have layers, so this is just a double up. And there you guys have it. That is the few outfits that I showed, little tips and tricks to how to style the boobs that God bless you with. Team Itty Bitty. If you are Team Itty Bitty, write comments in below. I am Team Itty Bitty and I am proud. Just like SpongeBob said, he's ugly, he's proud. You need to be Team Itty Bitty and proud. So once again guys, it's all about confidence. It's all about boosting what you do have rather than what you don't have. And just being confident in your own skin. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button if I helped you anyway. If I boosted up your confidence, hit that like button, and I will see you next time with more styling videos, more videos in general, self-esteem, loving yourself, Jesus. I love you guys. Style by Mufasa, Lavina, peace.